Hi everyone, this is Jim from Fuji Spray, and today we're going to be going over how to service the pattern control on your Fuji Spray V8 spray gun. Now, if you're noticing any sort of inconsistencies with the fan pattern on your Fuji Spray V8 spray gun, it's always easier to give us a call and we can walk through some simple troubleshooting steps that should get you back up and running. Now, if you're more experienced and comfortable servicing your V8 spray gun, this will be a step-by-step guide to ensure you do it right every time. Now, it's best to do this type of work on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing any small parts. First, remove the set screw. Second, remove the pattern control knob. Third, using a 5/8" socket wrench, remove the pattern control assembly. Now, with the pattern control assembly removed, you can now inspect for any sort of debris or damage. You can also inspect the spray gun cavity for any sort of debris, and if you do notice any, feel free to clean with the appropriate solvent. Going back to the pattern control assembly, prior to reinstallation, you can apply a conservative amount of gun lubricant. To reassemble, simply install the pattern control and secure with a socket wrench. Install your pattern control knob and secure with the set screw. Upon reassembly, it's always best to ensure that your pattern control operates smoothly. Rule of thumb, counterclockwise will open up your fan, whereas clockwise will reduce the fan size. If you have any questions about the fan control on any of your Fuji Spray spray guns, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-650-0930 or send us an email at support@fujispray.com. This is Jim from Fuji Spray. Thank you so much for watching.